Hi, it's Febs. I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Today we are back with another product review slash makeup tutorial. This time Beauty Big Bang sent me product for free. They asked me to do swatches and review for them, and so this is it. So these are the stuff from the website. Eye palette, face palette, or lip gloss or lipstick. These three items, a total of less than $15. So also, before I actually start doing swatches, don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So let's start with the Beauty Big Bang eyeshadow palette. I picked the number 5 palette because I feel like it's more of my style. There are different other palettes that you can pick. So let's open the box. I just love how elegant the box is. It's just black and silver writing on it. This reminds me of Primark packaging. It looks just like it. The sad thing about this eyeshadow palette is that it doesn't have a mirror. This is my favorite shade. That is the reason why I picked this palette. So let's do a swatch. Ooh. That is so pretty. I love that color so much. This one doesn't have as much color. Like, it's not as pigmented as I thought it would be. I thought that would be like a really dark brown, but it's not. Okay, let's start with the shimmery one. Ooh, oh my god, that is so pigmented. And that was from my weakest finger as well. Look at that. That's a really pretty color. You barely see this one. This actually has a pink tone in it, and this is a white one. This is a shimmery lavender, and let's start swatching it. Oh, this white one, I expected this to be much more pigmented than these two. That is not pigmented at all. This too, however, is pretty pigmented. The quality of this eyeshadow feels like a Primark quality. Cheap but good enough for its price. A little bit chalky, not too pigmented for me. If you're only starting with makeup, this would be a good palette for you. So that's my first impression of this eyeshadow palette, but so far I am just so in love with this color. We're gonna put this aside and then we're gonna move on to the face palette. This is number 5. This is a blush, highlight, and contour palette. I picked this because I needed, you know, a 3-in-1 palette that I can just bring anywhere in my little bag. So this is the reason why I got this. Girl, this has mirror. Okay, so that is the package, but it feels really light. But for me, I really like light packaging because I don't like carrying anything really heavy in my bag because I carry a lot of stuff, and light packaging is such a plus for me. It just reduces the heaviness of my freaking bag. The 3-in-1 face palette that I picked, and as you can see here, this is more pinker than this one, so that really worried me. I thought I picked a pink one. Nope, I didn't. This is blush, contour, and highlight. Let's watch the contour first. Ooh, yes! It's dark enough. It's pigmented. It's not chalky, which is great. I feel like this contour is not something that would last for a really long time. Let's do the blush. Oh my god, this is too bright. I don't know if you can see it, but this looks luminous in person. So yeah, that is the blush here. A little bit more chalkier than the contour. And then let's go with the highlight. Oh yeah, she bright. It looks like an eyeshadow to me, like a shimmery eyeshadow. That is the 3-in-1 face palette. Move on to the matte liquid lipstick. You can also pick whatever color you want from their website. I picked number 3, Naked, because it's a neutral color and I like my neutral color. Let's watch it. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Ooh, it smells really sweet. Oh! This is such a pretty color. Doesn't that look like Naked's concealer? It looks really expensive. This is my favorite so far. The packaging is just pretty as well, and it feels heavier than the rest of those palettes. So let's start with the makeup. I'm so excited. So I have my primer, foundation, concealer, and powder all done. We're gonna try and use up all of the eyeshadow in this palette. I'm just gonna do one eye first. So the first thing I'm gonna apply is this white eyeshadow right here. And then I'm going to take this pink tone matte eyeshadow and I'm going to apply that just on my eyelids. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this color right here and I'm going to apply that on the outer part of my eyelids. I'm going to blend the outer part of that. And then I'm going to take this brown color right here, add depth onto the outer part of my eye, which is not working because it's not as pigmented as I wish it would be, right? And then I'm going to blend the outer part. Then I'm going to take this purple color right here with the same brush. I'm just going to put that on top of the brown, just lightly tapping it. To see if I can add more depth. And then I'm going to drag that underneath just on the outer part of my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to take this color right here. I'm going to apply that onto the empty space of my eyelid. I start from the top of my eye crease. I'm just creating a half arch. And then I'm going to take this pink shimmery color right here and I'm going to apply that on the end of the lavender eyeshadow. I'm going to take this purpley bright pink eyeshadow. I don't know what is the name of this eyeshadow. And I'm going to apply that right here in the middle of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this middle eyeshadow and I'm going to use it to highlight my inner corners. I'm gonna mix this two eyeshadow as my eyeliner, a smoky eyeliner look. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara, fake lashes, and do the other eye, and I'll come back to you. Alright, so I have my eyelashes and mascara on. Look, my eyebrows look so funny right now. I'm mixing the contour and the brown eyeshadow on this palette. I'm gonna use a very fluffy brow brush. Oh, look, nice. Okay, so it works really well on my brows. Girl, I now have brunette eyebrows. I am seriously like challenging this brand so much. Oh my god, I would love to have a hair color like this. My brows looks a little patchy because I'm using a brown eyeshadow and contour to fill in my brows. Let's move on to the contour and the blusher and the highlighters. Onto this. Oh my god, that's so dark. I did not expect it to be that dark. I should have known. Blends perfectly anyway. This side. I'm gonna apply on my double chin. Oh my gosh, I feel pretty. I am in love with this 3-in-1 palette so much. Let's move on to blusher. Then I'm gonna put that across my non-existent nose bridge, and then on my chin, and my forehead. Ah! Okay, so let's highlight. I'm gonna start off with the nose. Yes, yes. I'm gonna highlight this part. Oh yeah. Why am I using my fingers? Oh my god, I'm feeling this highlighter so much. Oh my god, I look like a doll with this highlighter. Sorry, I'm like loving myself too much right now. Let's move on to the lipstick. Look at the shape of this brush. It's like curved. Oh, this lipstick is sticky. This is the look that I just created using the Beauty Big Bang makeup products. If you want to check out Beauty Big Bang's website, I will have the link below. Thank you so much, Beauty Big Bang, for sending me these products. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell so that you get updated whenever I upload a new video. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.